Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to get the Dragon Talon on here on Blox routes. So it's going to be a lot more hassle if you actually play this on real time, because it's going to take long. You have to locate the Dragon Talon Island, explore the game's map, try to find it maybe in a specific area and through accessible locations and navigation points. I'm going to have to complete challenges, participate in challenges or quests on Dragon Talon Island, which may involve puzzles and stuff. So once you've achieved successfully complete the challenges, it'll come off as a reward for all of your persistence on this hassle. So that's basically it. You just have to complete a bunch of tasks that I just mentioned, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.